Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to add captions in CapCut. Now let's begin. Right here I have a video and I'm gonna drag it to the timeline. Now what we want to do is focus on this nav bar. There is media, audio, text, stickers and others. For now I need to focus on this text section. Let's click on it. And as you can see, there are lots of effects here like add text and AI generated text effects with simple prompts, some normal effects, text templates, and the main focus of our topic, auto captioning. Now what we want to do in this is select the language the video is in. There are lots of languages that you can select from, but be sure to select the language that the video is in. This video in the timeline is in English, so I'm going to select on English and simply hit on create. It might take some time. And after everything's done, let's try to look at the video.
Last time I watched an 18-minute TED Talk. It's been years.
And as you can see, captions are appearing on the video. Now if you want to edit the captions again, let's select all the captions right now. And on the menu bar, you will find some few options like you can change the font. You can change the font size as well. You can change it to bold italics. They are simply the same options as that of text. And you can also add animations if you wish. There are lots of animations here. And that's it guys, that's how you add captions in CapCut. You can play around with the settings to make your captions look more beautiful, or if you are satisfied, just leave it right now. Thanks for tuning in. We appreciate your time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon for notifications, and stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Your support fuels us. Until next time.